From choosing travel destinations to locking in last-minute deals, almost 1/3 of Australians are now using AI to book their holidays. That's up 73% across the last year.
Yeah, the trend led by Gen Z and millennials is seeing Australians turning to tech to make the most of their time offline. And for more, we are joined by a futurist, our friend Michael McQueen. Good morning to you. This is like having a travel agent in your pocket. It's fantastic.
Yeah, and most of us, that's how we started using AI, was help me plan an itinerary. Great for hotel ideas, flight bookings. One of the interesting things is the more specific and unusual your request, the better this stuff is. So like, we've got a road trip from Sydney to Brisbane, we've got 5 days, 2 kids, a dog, want to stay at a farm stay on the way, can you come up with some advice? Like, that's when it really comes into its own.
That is AI though, you've got to be quite specific,
Correct.
Give the right prompts.
Yeah, the right prompt makes all the difference, yeah.
But what's your advice? Because it doesn't actually tell you like a travel agent would.
Yeah.
This is actually a good farm stay.
Well, this is the thing too, because they can hallucinate. This is the danger. You can't just trust everything that AI spits out to you. And I think this is why travel agents aren't going to go anywhere anytime soon, because what they sell is not just cutting through complexity, but peace of mind. I think the thing is, when it comes to AI, pick a platform and then pay for it so you're getting good advice. And the more you use those platforms, the more they start to know you and they get more customised.
I mean, people drop a fair bit of money on holidays sometimes. So they have a right to be sceptical about this kind of technology. They don't want to make this investment on the responses of ChatGPT. What would you say to them?
So the interesting thing is, for a lot of people, they actually trust ChatGPT more than, say, review sites that have often got sponsored links and things in them. So maybe that's naive, but I think interestingly, we are seeing this sort of technology increasingly it's become a part of daily life, and it is like a co-pilot. We rely on it for so much of daily life that people are now deferring a whole bunch of their decision making to whatever AI platform. So ChatGPT is the biggest one. Google Gemini 48 hours ago, massive updates. If you haven't tried Gemini recently, that's worth looking at again. It's a bunch of
Claude, like which one
Claude,
do you use?
Perplexity. I mainly use ChatGPT, but those would be the 4 big ones. CoPilot is Microsoft's one.
Yes.
It's very secure, but sometimes not as helpful as some of the other platforms can be.
Walk us through this. ChatGPT has just launched a new trial allowing AI to enter the group chat.
Yes.
What's happening there?
So, you know when you organise those family catch-ups and it's like 13 people all on WhatsApp and it's a nightmare? You can now do this within ChatGPT. That's what this will allow you to do.
We need that for our Christmas party, because we're still trying to organise our Christmas party for last year.
Yes, so you can chime in like, what's everyone's budget? Who wants to stay here? What sort of restaurant do you want to go to? So rather than everyone doing that in a chat thread, you can do it then in the chat bot. So that's only just trialling, but it'll be a bit of a game changer.
I don't understand, so how does it work?
So we can all be in the same chat group, organising our family adventure. Everyone can chime in.
Is the bot in charge?
You're asking the bot for guiding the process, and then it can come up with the packing list, so you don't all double up on the same things you bring, which is very helpful.
Who's bringing the salad? So can you add it to existing group chats?
Yeah, the idea is it's only trialled so far, so the actual way it works, who knows? But the idea is you will actually be able to set a specific chat up within ChatGPT and then invite people to it.
Well, we're going to get that 2024 Christmas party soon, I think.
We literally have had a year of waiting to welcome Roy to the show.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you,
Pleasure.
Michael.